So welcome students. So in this question you are given that there are two lines L1 and L2 and the angle bisectors of these two lines are given 2x minus 16y minus 5 is equal to 0, 64x plus 8y plus 35 is equal to 0. And my line L1 is passing through minus 11 comma 4. So if that is so, you are asked to decide which of these angle bisectors is the acute angle bisector. So we have to decide which of this angle bisector is the acute angle bisector, which of this is the obtuse angle bisector. So now what do I do? So what is the process that I am going to follow? So first what I am going to do is I will find the point of intersection of my angle bisectors. So now once I get this point of intersection, now then I will find the slope of my L1. So I will find my slope of the line L1 and I will take one angle bisector. I will take one angle bisector and the line L1 and I will find the angle between these two. So if this angle is more than 45, then it is the obtuse angle bisector. If this is less than 45, then it is the acute angle bisector. Because if this is acute, the angle between the line and the angle bisector will be less than 45 degrees. That is, the magnitude of tan theta should be less than 1. Now let us go about doing this problem. First step is to find the point of intersection of these two, that is 2x minus 16y minus 5 is equal to 0, 64x plus 8y plus 35 is equal to 0. So now to find the point of intersection between these two, I will multiply this equation with 2. Now minus 16x plus 16y, minus 16y plus 16y will get cancelled. So I am adding these two. So 128 plus 2, 130x and 35 into 2, 70 minus 5 plus 65 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to minus 65 by 130, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. So the x coordinate of the point of intersection is minus 1 by 2. Now let us substitute my x in the equation. So 2x will be minus 1 minus 5 minus 6. So 6 by minus 16. So the y coordinate will be minus of 6 by 16, that is equal to minus of 3 by 8. So the point of intersection between of these two is minus 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 8. So now once I have this point of intersection, I will find the slope of my line L1. So what is the slope of my line L1? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 4 minus of minus 3 by 8. So 4 plus 3 by 8 by minus 11 plus 1 by 2. That is equal to 32 plus 3. 35 by 8 divided by minus 22 plus 1 minus 21 by 2. So 4 times, that is equal to minus of 35 by 4 into 21. So 7 5s are, 7 3s are, that is equal to minus 5 by 12. So the slope of my line L1 is minus 5 by 12. So now let us select any one of this line. So the slope of my first line, slope of my line 2x plus this is minus of 2 by minus 16. So the slope is 1 by 8 here, the slope is minus 8 here. So you can select any one of the line and try to find the angle between these two. So if this is angle theta, so tan theta is equal to mod of m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into. That is 1 by 8 plus 5 by 12 divided by m1, 1 by 8, m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2, that is minus 5 by 12 into 8. 12 into 8 is 96. That is equal to 12 plus 40. 12 plus 40. 52 by 96 minus 5 is 91. So tan theta is equal to 52 by 91 mod tan theta, which is less than 1. That means the magnitude of acute angle between these two lines is less than 45 degrees. So if this angle is less than 45 degrees, this complete angle will be an acute angle. Hence this line is the acute angle bisector. That is, 2x minus 16y minus 5 is equal to 0 is the acute angle bisector of these two lines. Thank you.